Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix iPhone notifications silence. So guys, if you get any message or any call and a notification of that message or call is not received on your phone or silently received, you don't know, then I'll help you how to fix this your notification problem. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to click on your settings first of all, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here you need to find the notifications. So guys, here you can see notifications option is here. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this you need to scroll down, and guys these are the apps in which you want to fix your notification problem. So guys, if you have this problem on Facebook, means if you get any notification on Facebook and that notification is silent or not received on your phone, then guys simply you need to click on Facebook and click on allow notification. So guys, here you can see and select all of these, so like this. So guys, if it is disallow, then guys you need to make allow it and make sure that it is turned on. And guys you need to, here is the option of sound. So guys, if you are notifications are silently received, then guys you need to turn on this sound tab. So guys, if you have this problem on Instagram, so guys simply you need to same on Instagram allow notifications, select all of these and allow the sound tab. And guys after this you can select anyone like messages and call, and guys anyone from here you need to turn on one by one from this. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to receive all the notifications on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.